Hey everyone, I'm Ben.
And I'm Jane. Welcome back.
Today, we're talking about how to tell a short story naturally.
Not too long, not awkward, just enough.
The kind of story you tell at dinner when someone asks,
How was your weekend?
relax, just listen first.
Borrow any lines you like.
This episode is great for strong beginners and intermediate learners.
If you understand a lot, but speaking still feels heavy.
Like the words are there, but they're sitting down.
No pressure, you don't need to catch everything.
Just let it flow.
By the end of this episode, you'll be able to tell a short, natural story.
Without rambling, without panicking.
And at the end, we'll do a calm word tour.
Just the key words and phrases from today. Chapter A. Why stories get too long.
So let's set the scene.
Dinner with friends.
Everyone's sitting down, food is coming.
Someone smiles and asks, "How was your weekend?"
Simple question.
Dangerous question.
Why does this feel so hard?
Because our brain thinks, I must explain everything so they understand.
Yes, we think more details equals better story.
But in real life, it's the opposite.
People want the feeling, not the full timeline.
Exactly. Not every stop on the train.
I used to do this all the time, especially in English.
Same.
I'd start strong, then halfway through, I'd forget my point.
And then you keep talking, hoping it appears.
Yeah, like if I keep walking, I'll find the door.
Spoiler, there is no door. Chapter B. The fixes. Practical tools. Tool 1. Start with the ending.
Okay, first fix. This one changed everything for me.
Start with the ending.
Say the result first.
Not the whole story, just the outcome.
For example,
Instead of, on Saturday morning I woke up and,
you say, it was really relaxing.
or, honestly, it was kind of chaotic.
Now people are oriented.
They know where the story is going. It was actually really fun.
It didn't go as planned.
It was a quiet weekend, which I needed.
So, how was your weekend?
It was nice. My favorite part was having dinner with friends.
Boom, clean, human.
Tool 2. Pick one moment.
Tool 2, pick one moment.
Not the whole weekend.
One small scene.
Like a snapshot.
For me, it's usually food.
Same. Food is a safe main character. Steal this line, examples. The best part was Sunday morning.
One moment really stood out.
My favorite part was mini scenario moment.
So, how was your weekend?
It was nice. My favorite part was having dinner with friends.
Boom, clean, human.
Tool 3. Soft connectors.
Third fix, soft connectors.
These are small words that guide the listener.
They help you sound calm, not rushed.
Steal this line, examples.
So basically,
Kind of.
and then we just,
These words buy you time.
and they sound natural.
Mini scenario moment.
So basically, we stayed in and cooked.
No stress, no pressure. Tool 4. End early on purpose.
This one is important.
End early.
Before the story gets tired.
Leave a little space.
If they want more, they'll ask.
Steal this line, examples.
That was pretty much it.
So yeah, nothing crazy.
But it was nice.
Mini scenario moment.
You finish the story, you stop.
And you sip your drink. Chapter C. Mini roleplay inside the scenario. Okay, let's put this together.
Dinner table, someone asks.
How was your weekend?
It was really relaxing. We didn't do much, but my favorite part was cooking together on Sunday. So yeah, it was nice.
That's it.
Short, natural.
No one is trapped. Mini practice segment. Let's do a gentle practice.
No pressure, just copy if you want.
I'll say a line.
I'll say it a little differently.
It was actually really nice.
It was honestly really nice.
My favorite part was Sunday morning.
The best part was Sunday morning.
We didn't do much, but it was fun.
We kept it simple, but it was fun.
So yeah, that was pretty much it.
And yeah, that was it. Let's slow down.
Word tour time. Honestly.
Means to be real.
Example. Honestly, I was tired. Favorite part.
The best moment.
Example. My favorite part was dinner. Pretty much.
Almost everything.
Example. That's pretty much it. Nothing crazy.
Normal, simple.
Example. Nothing crazy, just relaxed. Kind of.
A soft, gentle word.
Example. It was kind of busy. So basically.
A simple summary.
Example. So basically, we stayed home. Relaxing.
Calm, peaceful.
Example. It was a relaxing weekend. Chaotic.
Messy, busy.
Example. Saturday was chaotic.
This week, try one thing.
When someone asks you about your weekend,
Answer in 2 sentences only.
that's it.
And for the comments,
Finish this sentence.
my favorite part of last weekend was...
Thanks for spending time with us.
Remember, confidence matters more than perfection.
If this helped, you can like or subscribe.
And we'll see you next episode.
Take care.
Bye.